Before we start, make sure to join my Discord server link in comments with the script. Hello guys, first I'm just gonna say thank you for 100 subscribers. So this script is special for 100 subscribers. It's paid and this the leak, so it have aimlock, silent aim, camera lock and miscs. I don't know, but I prefer to just click auto setup. Leave aim type empty and this stuff, or it's your choice, just edit it if you want. Add hit sounds. Let's kill this poor guy. I feel sad for him. No, Cap. Took his money? Ha 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 ha. Let's kill these people. Ooh, she run away. I will get her. Don't worry guys. Here she is dead. Anyway guys, thanks again for the 100 subs. Next goal 200. This the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe as always. Script in comments. See you in next video.